don't like
when
it.
you are working.
Again, I'm speaking from my experience of people who have had. Don't say I'm downplaying unemployment. Don't say I'm downplaying unemployment.
We're also speaking from our
I
own
don't like
experience.
that. I don't like that. That's not fair.
Yes,
That's not
the
fair.
right to say you guys are having better because you've got a job.
I agree. Did I disagree to that statement?
No.
I stood here and I said I agree.
Yes, you did.
No, you're not listening. You're not listening to me.
I am listening to you.
I agree.
No. You said
this is what I said. I said, Nzuku, you are right. It is better to get money so that you know you're doing this. Then I addressed George. I was like, George, the stress of the fact that what unemployed people don't understand sometimes that when you are employed, your money will also finish. So by the 7th of the week, you don't have money. But you can't say I'm downplaying. That's what I'm fighting. But I'm not downplaying. That's why I interjected you. No.
Just say that you're not
I've been saying that.
I understand.
Me downplaying unemployment when I've been unemployed and I know the stress of not having a job. When a job is what changed my life. I know how it feels.
My siblings, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your subscriptions. Let's push and not stop at 1,000. So I think you're asking yourself why this noise and chaos. So they are talking about employment, and Sipesihle was explaining that people who are not working, sometimes they don't understand when you say you have nothing. They don't understand that your money, as much as you are working, your money runs out at some point. Okay, that's what she's saying. So Nsuku understanding of Sipesihle is downplaying unemployment. How can she say people who are not working, they don't understand that at some point you run out of money? How can you say that? So, siblings, I just want you to tell me what you think on the comment section, because this is the gist of this whole noise. But from what I can tell, I think Unsuku misunderstood Sipesihle, or she's just making highlights for herself, because Sipesihle is saying, and we all know that, right? Like, if you are not working, if you have nothing, you will go to a person who's working, and that person, when they say they don't have, and then some people will, not take it nicely. They'll say, oh, I mean, this person is working. How can they say they don't have money? But remember, a person who's working around, like, already they have responsibilities. Maybe they have to pay the house, the car, petrol, school fees, and we all know that. And then whatever that is left for that person is left for that person. Maybe even they have nothing left. They'll have to use overdraft or go to Mashonisa, to borrow money. So that is their bone of contention. That is the noise. This is what the noise is all about. And Nsuku saying Sipesihle is like speaking from a point of advantage, not understanding people who are not working, and sort of she looks down on people who are not working. And Sipesihle said, I know I have not been working, and the work has changed my life. So I understand the fact of not having. I do understand, and it's frustrating. So let's talk on the comment section and let me know what you think. I like it. You saw Sweet Goluva. He just woke up from that couch and he went and checked, what's going on. Yeah, but I think he couldn't believe that Sipesihle is the one who's like he's part of this noise. I think that's what he cannot just believe. Sipesihle can raise his voice like this. But yeah, things happen, and sometimes the real you comes out. So yeah, but it's not in a bad way. But yeah, guys, thank you so much. Keep on subscribing. Until the next one. Bye.